From ancient lifting levers to modern autonomous crawlers, construction machinery traces humanity's evolving quest for bigger, faster projects. Early hydraulics and windlasses gave way to steam shovels that reshaped railways, harbors, and urban grids. In the United States, the Hoover Dam era demonstrated massive crawler cranes and concrete pumps reshaping the Colorado River basin. Europe's tunnel boring machines opened subways beneath cities, while Japan's compact equipment enabled crowded skylines to rise. Today, AI-guided controls and digital twins tie engineering choices to culture and economy, turning machines into storytellers of progress.